Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to learn how to show the weather forecast on your iPhone lock screen in iOS 16 or later. In iOS 16, Apple lets you display the local weather forecast directly on your iPhone's lock screen using widgets. So just in case you are looking for a quick way to track weather conditions right from the lock screen of your iPhone without needing to dig into the weather app, this tip is for you. That all being said, let's jump right in. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First and foremost, unlock your iPhone with Face ID or Touch ID and then long press on the lock screen to enter the lock screen gallery. After that, swipe left or right to find the wallpaper where you want to show the weather forecast widgets and then tap on the Customize button at the bottom of the wallpaper. Then tap the frame either above or below the time to bring up the Widgets selector. Then tap the suggested weather widget at the top of the widget selector to add it to the selected frame. You can also tap weather in the column list of apps to choose from a selection of variants. Then swipe to the one you want, then tap it or just drag it to the frame to place it. When you are finished arranging your widgets, make sure to tap on Done in the top right corner of the screen. Finally, tap the current lock screen in the wallpaper gallery to activate it and you are good to go. It's worth pointing out that the weather lock screen widgets come in several flavors. If you insert a widget alongside the date above the digital clock, you can opt to display moon events, sun events, conditions, location, rain, air quality, UV index, or wind. Directly below the digital clock, there is a longer oblong space where you can place widgets horizontally next to each other. 8 optional weather widgets are available here to see moon events, sun events, conditions, location, rain, air quality, UV index, or wind. Note that only the current weather conditions and moon events come in the larger widget format. That's pretty much done. So that's how you can show the weather forecast on your iPhone lock screen. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.